So now we will discuss about phenol. In the previous video I have discussed about phenol. You can remember phenol, that means the benzene ring is directly attached with OH. Okay, so this one is known as your phenol, and this carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon. Why? See the exact structure of benzene ring. Alternate double bonds are there in the benzene ring. So in this position double bond is attached. So this carbon is your sp2 hybridized carbon. Okay, it is your phenol. Then come to ether. Ether also we have discussed. What is the general form of ether? That is RO R dash. Two alkyl groups are attached. In between the two alkyl groups one oxygen is present. What is the IUPAC name of ether? That is alkoxy alkane. Alkoxy alkane. This is the IUPAC name. And what is the common name of ether? The common name is dialkyl ether. Okay, dialkyl ether is the common name and IUPAC name is the alkoxy alkane. We have to see by taking some example. Suppose CH3O C2H5. Okay, how to name this one? First you see in this structure, first you see in which side carbon is less. This side carbon is less. It is methyl and it is ethyl. So methyl will attach with the oxygen. Now the name will be methoxy and it is simple ethane. Okay, what is the IUPAC name? Alkoxy alkane. So it is methoxy ethane. Now you will ask, if both sides same, CH3 O CH3, both sides same, then no problem, methoxy methane. This side also methoxy and this side is methane. Now what is the common name? This is the IUPAC name. What is the common name? In the common name it is ethyl methyl ether. Okay, two alkyl groups you have to write separately, then ether. So you may ask why it is not methyl ethyl. It is alphabetically E first, therefore it is written ethyl methyl ether. But here it is both the groups are methyl. So here we will write dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Okay. Now we can take another example. C2H5O C3H7. Now see here the carbon is less, so it will attach with the oxygen. Now it is methane ethane, so ethoxy and it is methane ethane propane, so it is ethoxy propane. And what is the common name? Common name is ethyl propyl ether. Okay, as per the alphabetical order E will come first, so ethyl propyl ether. So this is the example. Now we will solve some names. I will give you a chart. As per the chart you name the compounds and send me.